Hey everyone, I'm back with a project share. I have the newly released monthly club kit from AdornIt. This is the Mom's Apple Pie stamp set that I received in my ambassador package. And so wanted to share another recipe book project that I did. So I used this stamp. I didn't use any of the add-ons, but I did use this stamp and to create my page. So I just want to show you what I have done. I also used some of the paper from the kit. This is actually from the cookie kit, and I was getting ready to cut a pocket out of the scrap piece of paper that I used. This is a library or book pocket. It looks like this. It's a go-to gift card holder, book pockets dies. It's the largest pocket here. I was getting ready to cut that out of the scrap paper that I have because I used this piece to paper piece my image. And I also used this this paper also from the cookie add-on collection, and I cut a whole bunch of letters, if you can see that. These are the letters cut from this Catherine Pooler die, and it's called Slim Alphabet Dies. And these are from Catherine Pooler. I purchased those recently. So I used this piece of paper also from the cookie add-on for the monthly club kit. And the cookie one, well, actually the cookie one wasn't part of the monthly subscription. This was the first release of the stamps, and this one you could just add on if you were purchasing the jar, the cookie jar. So I misspoke on that. So here's my project. This is a new page from my book. I haven't put it in the book yet. This is the book. And so this page, sorry for that noise, I created, of course, from some of the Doodlebug paper. I think It's Made with Love is this one, and this one comes from a different set, this little plaid. It's made to look like the pie is sitting on a table and you've got like wallpaper behind it. So these are the letters that I used to spell out, and here is the paper that I used to paper piece. Now this is Copic colored for the pie itself, and then I added some of the steam, which is a part of the stamp that's that has the pie on it, that set. You can see that I've actually shaded in some shadows here too, and I added some of my glaze pen to the holes for the steam that are stamped there, and then I did some shading around the paper pieced pie plate. So I've been hand making these pages, and I do have a video on that if you're interested, but this is my project. The pocket is going to go on this side. I haven't put it on there yet, but you saw it's just a die cut and simple fold of it. So this is the new page that's going to be added to the book, and it's right behind my honeybee cake recipe. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that. I do have another video I'm going to hook to this one. It's on using your add-on papers to make a project. So it's just a quick one. I had filmed it before, I hadn't posted it yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and just attach it to this one. Sorry about the glare of the lamp there. And you can see that next section here is the spreads section. So my book is growing, as you guys have seen. It's fun to put these projects inside, and you know, I'm going to continue doing this until I get to doing something else. But that is my recipe book for now, and I have a cover sheet there so it protects it. So yeah, my recipe book is growing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another project right after this portion of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hey everyone, I'm back with a little bit of a share. I also have a haul that I'll tack on to this video as well. But I thought I'd go ahead and share the papers that I received from the AdornIt monthly subscription club kit. This is actually because of, you know, I'm an ambassador for AdornIt. They have sent us the papers, those folks on the team. If you haven't seen these already, I'm going to share the papers and then what I made with some of them. So you're seeing a portion of the two. This is, I've actually flipped mine over so you could see all of the designs. You get 2 of each design. So, for example, you can see here the back of that is this, there is a honeycomb sheet, which I have used a portion of. And then this one is on the back, the red plaid there. So the back of that is this all over print. So if you have purchased the paper subscription kit, this is what you would receive for the honeybee stamp. And I believe that was it July's or June's? I can't remember which month it was. I think it was June for some reason. So you get the bee paper, and the reverse side of that is the plaid. This different colored bee paper, and the reverse side of that is this brown stripe. Then there is this sort of zigzag with some of the same colors used, and the opposite side is this honeycomb paper. I'm going to show you my project, so don't worry about not seeing the whole page. And then the blue and white dot here. And then the reverse side of that is this nice striped with different patterns. So like I said, you get 2 of each paper, and the reverse side is the opposite pattern, right? So those are the papers that are in the subscription kit. So if you have subscribed to the paper, you will get that. If you haven't already, you'll be getting that in the mail. I used my punch board for, it's called the 123 punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. Most of you probably have this tool in some incarnation or the other because they had so many different versions. This one happens to do envelopes, bows, and boxes. So I need envelopes for the cards that I had done for the honeybee stamp. So I made 2 5 by 5. Let's see, 5.5 by 5.5. Just shy of 5.5. These papers, because they're 8.5 by 11, will make an envelope that is approximately 5.5 square. Okay. So I used the punch board. Just follow the directions in the punch board on how to do it. Your punch board may be different than mine. Mine has the instructions printed right here for how to do the envelopes. And if you look closely, your paper size needs to be 8 3/8 inches square. So that's what I did. I cut it down to 8 3/8, and then my first score mark was at 4 1/8. And so that's how you continue to do your punching. The punch board also has this little slit that it cuts. If you can't see it, it punches these little slits on both sides. You can use that, or you can glue it instead. And my card's inside. So remember these cards, these are the ones that I did that are shaped like a sunflower or any other flower you can imagine, but I imagine them as sunflowers because they're so large. And I'm going to be sending these out, so I needed envelopes for them. I will not be putting these in the mail as it is. These will be going inside of a package, so I'm not worried about the size being some odd shape because it's going to be inside of a package anyway. So yeah, wanted to share those envelopes. So again, the closure basically is these 2 little slits cut into the paper, which you may not be able to see very well, but I just hooked them together so you can see that now. And it's flat. And then I will likely use the scrap papers like this one to do a little tag or something for each of the envelopes. This one's not closed, but that way, maybe not on this one because you can't see very well the printed thing. So maybe I'll just use, I don't know, this one for this, and then maybe something a little different for that one. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I wanted to share that with you. That's my little share for the items. And actually, let me just do a separate video. I'll come back and share some things that I've been purchasing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.